Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Plaid connections from a no-code app, full guide step by step clearly. To disable Plaid connections from a no-code app, start by logging into your no-code platform. Navigate to the dashboard of your app. Locate the Settings or Integrations section in the sidebar menu. Find the section specifically for financial integrations. Look for the Plaid option within this section. Click on it to access the Plaid settings. Identify the connected accounts or users that are linked via Plaid. Select the account or user you wish to disconnect. There should be an option to disable or disconnect the Plaid connection. Click on this option to proceed with the disconnection. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the connection is removed. After successfully disabling the connection, review your app settings for any additional Plaid-related configurations. If necessary, test the app to verify that the Plaid connection has been disabled. Check for any notifications or alerts that may inform users about the disabled connection. Save your changes and exit the settings dashboard. That concludes the process for disabling Plaid connections in your no-code app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.